guys, I'm SQB Gel Blaster. Today we are going to review this SQB. Now we're doing the unboxing, okay? This will give a theoretical effect. SQB. And it will give a freebie hold up. And the freebie nozzle. Okay, let's try it. This is a pressure magazine. This magazine have the two way to reload. First, put in here, put the gel ball in here. You just put a gel ball like normal. And the second way is like the normal pressure magazine. You can put out this, then you reload. Okay. The factory tell me this SQB can get the 500 more RPS. So now let's try it. Okay, now guys, we are going to shooting test. This is very no heavier, and I didn't put the hold up yet. Now we try the single shoot. Need to put a hard gel ball. This normal gel ball is easy to break. You see that? Normal gel ball is easy to break. Automatic. This have the most speed.